Why did the number of Luxembourgers registered in the US jump by 3,574 in just 1 year? Official records show the total rising from 17,380 in 2024 to 20,954 in 2025. But this isn't a wave of migration. Only 657 people in the US actually applied for Luxembourg nationality during that time. Many of the others were already Luxembourgers by law, often descendants who only recently confirmed their nationality and were added to the population register.
What's important to know is that in Luxembourg there are two ways to become a Luxembourger. The first is by law, because the law foresees that at a certain time and in a certain situation you are Luxembourgish, and the second is through voluntary acquisition of the nationality.
Under Luxembourg law, citizenship can automatically pass down through family lines, meaning some people may be Luxembourgish without even knowing it. Around 157,000 Luxembourgers currently live abroad, and the true global number may be much higher. Read the full article on rtltoday.lu.